Ladies and gentlemen of the media, thank you for being here today. It's now been over 60 days since our last confirmed case of COVID-19 in Fiji. It's been over 90 days since our first COVID-19 patient was reported on March the 19th. Based on those metrics, we can see that we've done very well, all of us Fijians, right from within the Ministry of Health, all the way down to the frontline healthcare worker, to you, everybody at home right now. We've done very well in containing this disease within our own country. And a key part of that has been leadership. Leadership that listens to health, leadership that listens to science and allows our response to be guided that way. We've done very well. But now we have to think about how we are going to exist in a COVID-19 world. If you look outside our borders, there are countries that have done very well. They've flattened the curve. They've managed to bring cases down to a level that is acceptable and manageable by their healthcare systems. Other countries, not so well. They have had increasing cases or decrease followed by another increase in cases. So we have to try and understand how to exist and live in this world. And I know there's been some impatience about us lifting restrictions within Fiji. A big part of why we have been cautious is because we've been cautious all along. We implemented very strong measures very quickly after our first case, and that has been key to why we've been so successful. So the measures described by the Honourable Prime Minister today, they have been taken with a very, very clear and very comprehensive risk assessment by the Ministry of Health to ensure that, yes, it is safe to open up, to ensure that our people are able to continue to live within this COVID-19 world. So this is something that is really important. We will continue, the Ministry of Health will continue to be a part of all of these discussions so that all of the measures, all of the opening up that we do will be based on health, based on science, first on lives and then considering livelihoods. And thank all the leadership in Fiji actually for being very open to the health and science advice that has been given. We're here to answer any questions as I hand back to the Honourable Attorney General.